Hey there, tech fans. Colin here again with a brand new tech unboxing, and today I've got my hands on the iSteady M6 kit from Hohem. This is the brand new, amazing stabilized gimbal that you can put your phone into, and this kit here comes with everything you need to get started, and also with some couple of extra accessories to make your life a little bit better. So we can go ahead and open it up from the bottom here, and immediately we're greeted with the wonderful high quality case that this product comes in. You can see that it is a really nice kind of hardened rubber shell on the outside and a bit of a softer, hard kind of foam on the bottom. Really going to keep everything in position super duper securely, as you can see there. Brandished with an Hohem logo right there on the front and a nice rubber embossing. Super duper good quality. The zipper goes all the way around to reveal our kit. This thing is professional. It looks fantastic in here. All the metal, all the shiny chrome and everything. It is a fantastic looking kit, and it does not disappoint, let me tell you. On the back here, you can see that they talk about all sorts of different features of the set. I'm going to have another video coming out soon of a review of the product talking about all the specific features, but today I'm just giving you guys a look at what's in the box. So if we go ahead and take out some of these things, we can see what we've got. We're welcomed immediately with the Hohem iSteady M6 user manual right here. This is going to come with all the instructions you need to get this paired with your phone, to connect it to the app, or just get everything ready so that it's good to use. As well as that, you've got two different types of charging cables that come in this box right here. You've got one USB-A to USB-C cable so that you can plug it into standard ports on your computer right here like this, or you've got the USB-C to USB-C, which is going to be really convenient for plugging your phone directly into the device if you want some extra charge or anything like that as well. So definitely nice that they give you both the options right there. You can have a good little cable management system going on with both those different types of cables. So moving on, we've got a tripod mount right here that Hohem includes with this kit. It's made out of plastic, and it's a really high quality, durable plastic. This is definitely not cheap at all. The movement on these pieces is also really quality as well. But that's a nice tripod mount right there that's going to allow you to set the camera up on a stationary axis. And here, speaking of the devil, we've got the camera in all its glory right here. This is a fantastic, robust piece of equipment. There's knobs and buttons on here, tons of functionality, and amazing different types of controls. We're gonna have a full video explaining everything about this for you guys coming up soon, so you guys can expect a full review and everything to know about it from there. So it's just as easy as screwing onto the bottom of the tripod right here, just like that, and you've got yourself a mounted system. And last but not least, we've also got right here on top of the whole set, you can see that there's this magnetically mounted fill light with built-in AI vision tracking. So this is an awesome little piece of equipment right here that you can optionally just include by magnetizing it straight onto the top of the device. This is where your phone's going to be. It's a fantastic addition and definitely puts it in the edge over some of the other handheld gimbals like this that don't have that kind of functionality. So honestly, this is a fantastic kit if you're looking to upgrade your phone's video capabilities, get some stabilization in your life. This is where you want to be looking. Hohem knocked it out of the park with this one. So that's all I've got for you guys today. This has been an unboxing, so that's what you can expect in the box. And I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.